Hello guys, and welcome to this awesome video. I'm going to be showing how to change eye color with AI instantly and naturally. So in this with this cool website called DeepFakeMaker.io, all you have to do to transform your eye color either from red, orange, green, blue to any other color you want is to actually upload your image here, then select the present eye color. No, select the target eye color here. So let's assume I've uploaded an image here, and then all you have to do is to select the eye color you want here, and you can see there are a whole lot of colors to choose from. We have heterochromia eyes, cat eyes, rainbow eyes, floral pattern, galaxy glowing eyes, so many colors to choose from. So you can also always choose any of these colors and then click on change now, and within few seconds your image would be ready to be downloaded here. And that's it guys. This is really a really cool website that anyone can use, and best part is that there's you can actually do it for free on your free accounts. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Do have a great day guys, and please subscribe. We are actively trying to grow.